All right, WMC, this is the video to find our two winners of the for the treasure chest break for Friday night. This is mini number 2. So we'll check the time, April 7th at 6:12 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have April 7th at 6:12 p.m. There is the list of our 26 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 after the final roll will both win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Bryn and Ryan. So Bryn, you and Ryan, you will both have spots in the treasure box on Friday. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 7th, 6:13 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.